video, I want to show you how to download and set up the Canvas for Students app for San Diego Mesa College. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm on an Android, so I'm going to search for Canvas for Students. It should be it's a red icon. You'll see it's from Instructure. It's going to look like that. I'm going to go ahead and install. Of course, I'm on an Android. If you're on an iPhone, you'll go to your app store and do the same general process here. All right, once that's installed, go ahead and open it. And you're gonna have to hit that Find My School button. So Mesa is part of the San Diego Community College District. We're gonna look for San Diego Community College District. So that's what we want to make sure that we're selecting, sdccd.instructure.com. And then it brings you to the sign on for our district. So that was how to install and set up the Canvas for Students app for Mesa College. Thanks, everybody.